In this video, we are going to show you how to get a certificate of good status for your Florida business in less than 5 minutes. Let's go. Hello from Freedomtax Accounting. We're an accounting firm where we have been providing quality tax and accounting services now for over 20 years. In this video, we're going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to get a certificate of good status for your business in the state of Florida. Now, your business may be required to get a certificate of good standing with the state of Florida for many reasons. You may be opening up a bank account. You may be selling your business. You may be going after a business loan. So for many reasons, your business in Florida may require to get a certificate of good status, and we're going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to get one. So let's go. The first step is to go to your browser. Basically, go to your browser and go to this website, sunbiz.org. So you go to sunbiz.org and you go to this tab where it says Manage Change Existing Business. You go to this tab and scroll down to where it says Order Certificate of Status. Then, once you're on this page, you scroll down and you click this blue button where it says Order a Certificate of Status. You click there. It's going to take you to this page, and it's going to ask you for your business document number. Now, if you don't know your business Florida document number, the best way to get it basically is to open up another tab, go to sunbiz.org again. Now click Search Records and then click where it says Name. And now look up your business name. Look up your business name and click Search Now. Your business should be the first one on the list. Now you see here where it says document number. This is the number you need. So basically paste this number, go back to the certificate page and paste the document number. And now you can click Submit. Now here, double check that this is the name of your business. And here now you're going to put your email address. Okay, put your email address and click Continue. Now, basically now you have to pay $5 to get the certificate of good standing from the state of Florida. So you click where it says credit card, continue. And now basically you just fill out this credit card form. Okay, so you fill out the credit card form. Okay, you fill out the credit card form. You put your credit card number. Okay, continue filling out the form. All right, and you click Next. Basically, double check the information is correct. Submit payment. This is your payment receipt. You basically scroll down where it says Continue. Click Continue. Okay, and this is your final confirmation. Now, here it says, please click here to view the certificate. So basically you click there, and this is your Florida certificate of good standing for your business. So you download this and you give it to any agency that needs the certificate of good standing. And that is it. That is how easy it is to get a certificate of good standing for your business in the state of Florida. Now remember, here at Freedomtax Accounting, we are a full service accounting firm. We can help you with your personal taxes, business taxes, tax planning, opening up new LLCs. We can help you in many many ways. If you have received valuable information in this video, like it, share it with other business owners so they can get their certificate of good standing for only $5 and in 5 minutes. So thank you for watching and God bless. Bye-bye.